Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to know, is depression a sign of weak Iman? Not necessarily, no. Not necessarily, no. But entertaining depression could be an effect of weak Iman. And a person, if he can be sad by an event that took place in his life. He can be sad, as Allah mentioned to us about the Prophet ﷺ. Allah told us in the Quran, وَلَقَدْ نَعْلَمُ أَنَّكَ يَضِيقُ صَدْرُكَ بِمَا يَقُولُونَ. We know what they are saying to you is tightening your chest. It's making you feel sad what they are saying to you. So yes, without a doubt, what people say to us does affect us. No one is going to lie and say, what people say doesn't affect me. It affects you, of course it affects you. Especially if they are close family members, close friends. Of course they affect you. And it causes you sadness. And it can also cause you depression. But that being said, a lot of the times, I can't say always, but a lot of the times, depression is connected to weak Iman. Because the reason is because the person who goes through hardship, because of his strong faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his conviction of Allah, whatever hardship he goes through, he can always come out of it by remembering Allah. And the pain just stays outside, and what goes in doesn't necessarily become a lot. For example, if a boat is on a very strong wind in the ocean, as long as that water doesn't go into the ship won't sink. That water goes into the ship, or onto the ship, then the ship will sink. So as long as you try your best to keep your problems out and it doesn't get to your mind and heart, then inshallah ta'ala it won't. And if you have Allah in your life, then depression isn't easy for it to happen to you. It isn't easy. No.